Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Yeah, Bernd Leno. Sure, that allows him to make the big one-on-one saves. He's also very reliable under the high ball or when he's dealing with crosses, and I'd expect the whole defence to play with a bit more assurance with him in place.
Yes, he'd be my pick too. Wilson. Rodrigo Muniz. Wilson. Passing is crisp and sharp. Wilson. And the whistle goes for half. Tight affair. 0-0 at the break. Some first half thoughts?
I think it's been a very impressive defensive effort. They've never been broken down and contained the opposition attack extremely well.
Chelsea head to the dressing room, not yet having broken through. Tight roll! And the cutback. Finds himself unceremonious. Roll! They've got to be quick to recover this.
71,550.
And it's Iwobi. Iwobi, good driving run. He's looking to set free a runner. Wilson! He scored!
That looks like a preconceived plan. Win the ball and then unleash.
After 67 minutes is number 8.
He's hits one! Goal! It was a great finish. He put it away with great poise, dead-eye accurate.
Goal! After 81 minutes is number 9.
Opposition box, that's where it has to be.
And the number on the board is 3. And it's Willian. Gets his pass away.
That's positional gold, the utilisation of space.
And here's Raul. Chance! Ødegaard. Passion and panache and perseverance, and in the end parity. A really good game to watch. How would you sum up what we've witnessed?